Kalung Member of Parliament Florence Chintu, who is also a former parliamentary committee chairperson on local government, was the last witness to appear before the tribunal. Chintu, who was accused of doctoring a report following a petition filed by the Lord Mayor challenging how business is conducted at KCCA, declined to give information regarding the petition. She instead pointed out that the problem at KCCA stems from the law.
But they mingled up, and actually the council asking me was a member of the 8th Parliament. They mingled up with the law, and it is this law that is causing problems to us. The Local Government Act has not caused any problem, you are aware. So you caused us problems, that's why I've been summoned here.
How did you arrive at the conclusion that the law has those gaps and creates those problems?
We have also seen and agree with them that there are loopholes that possibly could need amendments. There are conflicting issues that give each of them powers to head the authority.
Chintu, who headed the Committee on Public Service and Local Government, whose report was thrown out after committee members raised doubt about its authenticity, now says the solution is to have the KCCA Act amended to streamline business at the authority.
Let the law be amended to say either the Lord Mayor is the head of the authority or the Executive Director is the head of the authority. And I'm sure that once Parliament amends the law to show who heads the authority, other than this kind of mix-up, which is making two people wrangle over power because each one has a section that gives him or her the mandate to head the authority.
The ED was appointed by the President, who is also chairman of the NRM, from the record. Do you see competing interests of the NRM and then the opposition politics in KCCA?
Definitely it's there. People are wrangling for power. The Lord Mayor, as an opposition member, is the elected political head. And he wants to be recognized. The Executive Director is a civil servant, but has been appointed by the President of the country. So what do you expect? Definitely conflicts have to be there.
Chintu's committee had recommended that the President takes over the management of Kampala Capital City Authority, a disagreement that forced Kampala Minister Frank Tumwebaze to set up a tribunal to look into the councillor's petition. Both the petitioners and the respondent are expected to submit the summary of the case on the 2nd and 3rd of next month, after which the tribunal will come up with a report that will be given to the minister in charge of Kampala, Frank Tumwebaze. The minister will then convene a council meeting after 14 days after the submission of the report to determine Lukwago's fate. Stella Nabakoza, WBS TV.